Video inspection of the Miyano BNE 64 SY2 2005. This is a machine with an LNS Quick Load Servo 3 magazine bar loader, FANUC 18 ITB control. It is a dual turret, dual spindle, chip conveyor, and a pile of tooling for this machine as well. We're going to run the machine. Anytime you're ready. Just walk me through it and tell me what you're going to run first.
I'm on the live tooling right here.
Yeah, I'm running the live tool and I'm about 5-6 inches away from the live tool. And that's running at about what RPM? Does it say? Okay, about 1,000, okay. Yep, anything you want to do.
Okay, here's the other one. Get up there.
And this is the other live tool here. This is a dual cross drill mill tool. And that's at what RPM? 1,000, okay. There are a significant amount of live tools with this machine.
We're going to do the other two.
Okay.
We're going around this two spindles.
And which one you want to run first?
I'll run both of them.
Okay, run the spindles. These spindles sound very clear, very nice and quiet. Okay, and tell me what we're running them at when you get a chance. This is the sub spindle. What is that at? That's at 1,000. I'm about 6 inches away from the sub spindle. Very quiet. And this is the main spindle. You want to go higher? Okay, go ahead.
2,000.
This is at 2,000 RPM, and I'm still about 5-6 inches away from the main. And the same on the sub. 3,000 RPM on the sub, and 3,000 RPM on the main, and 4,000 RPM. Right, we're gonna draw too much amperage off this sitting here, so we're gonna go ahead and power down those spindles, and we're gonna move the turrets in XYZ. Okay, whenever you're ready. The upper turret, the back turret, upper turret. Again, I'm only a few inches away from the turret itself. Very quiet ball screws. Movement in the y-axis. You can't even hear the movement of the ball screws on this. Okay. Z-axis of the lower turret.
Do the B.
And the B-axis for the sub spindle. Okay. I'm going to take you for a quick walk around. This machine does have a work tower light, a chip conveyor, There's some high volume coolant pumps in the back. There is a ton of tooling. I'll open it up just to show you. And there's another layer of those underneath it. Inside the electrical cabinet, everything seems to be in excellent condition, well maintained. This machine came out of a ITT Aerospace division. It's got a high pressure coolant system. Cool jet. The back side of the bar loader. Again,